quit trying to get Jake juice and get tired like 5 years ago. This one is I'm pretty sure it says March 3rd, 2005.
Monster truck? Car.
Big truck.
And any airplanes? What about helicopters? No?
I'm still away.
Truck.
Truck? Okay.
Do you want juicy juice?
Baby talking juicy.
Yeah.
I don't know. If they fall off now, they're meant to fall off.
What about airplanes? Where's the airplane?
You did all you could.
Where's Whoopa? Where's Jake? Where's Grandma?
Are you having your granola bar?
Yeah.
That looks yummy. I know. Look at all that.
Someone's thrown raisins at me.
D.
Where did that raisin come from? Just landed on my hand.
Jacob. What's that?
D.
A radio control car.
Hey, you want some juice?
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Boy, you're thirsty.
Says, yeah.
A lot of walking. Tractor? Where'd you see a tractor?
Tractor.
Where? Oh, on the on the box and and a cow.
I think I screwed up my back again, moving on.
Oh no, Jake.